Seeing your Instagram follower count plummet can be a real head-scratcher, but don't panic. There are concrete steps you can take to fix it. First, let's identify the potential culprit. Spot activity is a major one often. These fake accounts are removed by Instagram, leading to a drop. Another reason could be changes in your content strategy. If your posts have become less engaging, or if you've strayed from your niche, your audience might be losing interest. And of course, we can't forget Instagram's ever-evolving algorithm. What worked yesterday might not work today, so staying adaptable is key. So how do we combat this drop? Step 1. Elevate your content quality. Focus on high-resolution images and videos, compelling captions that tell a story or ask questions, and consistent branding. Make sure your visuals are eye-catching and your message is clear. Step 2. Supercharge your engagement. This is crucial. Respond to every comment and DM. Promptly engage with other accounts in your niche, not just by liking, but by leaving thoughtful comments. Run polls, Q and As in your stories, and go live to connect with your audience in real time. Step 3. Attract genuine followers instead of chasing numbers. Focus on building a community. Use relevant hashtags strategically. A mix of popular and niche ones. Collaborate with other creators in your space, and consider running targeted ads to reach people who are truly interested in what you offer. Stabilizing your follower count takes time and consistent effort. By focusing on quality content, genuine engagement, and attracting the right audience, you'll not only fix the current drop, but build a loyal and thriving Instagram community for the long run.